I am thankful for my great life. I am so thankful for my amazing life that I treat as a gift. I am grateful person. I am grateful for everything that is excellent in my life. I am grateful for all of my life experiences. I am so thankful to be alive and well. Life is the greatest gift I have ever received. I am thankful for my liberty. Every day, I am grateful for everything the universe provides for me. I am more appreciative of my life than I have ever been. Every day, I give thanks for all that has enriched my life. Every day, I offer thanks for what I have. My life is full with the blessings, and every day I appreciate the universe for guiding me on my path towards fulfillment. Every day I give thanks to the universe for the qualities and abilities that distinguish me because I am appreciative. Nice things happen to me. Every day, I cultivate the practice of gratitude. I appreciate everything you have done for me. I am thankful for the light shining and the birds singing. I am grateful for every opportunity life has given to me. I am grateful for the modest gesture of kindness that have been shown to me. I will be eternally grateful for all the lessons that life has taught me. I will be eternally grateful for all the delights that my senses provide. As a result of my unique path, I am grateful for all the experiences that brought me here. I am grateful to all the people I have met for a brief encounter or who I have known for a long time because they have all served as my mirror and teachers. I am grateful for all the times I felt I have failed because I now know that I am capable of. They instilled in me the ability to preserve. I am grateful for all my heartbreaks because it means I am willing to open my heart to others. I am grateful for the miracles that I have occurred in my life. They have reminded me of the universe magic. I am grateful for my body in its current state, since it is the ideal vessel of my soul. I am glad for all the different kinds of abundance I see in my life. I am grateful for every tear I have shed because it taught me compassion, and I am grateful for every hurt I have felt because it taught me forgiveness. I am grateful for every time I have had to suffer because it's taught me to accept myself. I am grateful for my abilities and the confidence and readiness to express them. I am grateful for the ability to live with an open heart. I am grateful for the ability to select my answer to anything. Every day I am grateful to love, be loved, and be loved. At the end of the day, I count my blessings and give thanks for what I have every day. I take the time to ponder and be thankful for what I have. I have brought additional prosperity into my life. Every day, I am more appreciative what I have in my life. Each and every day, I would like to express my gratitude for what I would like to see more of in my life. I thank God for everything every morning. Every evening, I am grateful for everything I have. I am grateful for all of life's blessings. Gratitude instills in me a sense of serenity and openness. I gratefully accept all presents and receive them with thanks. I am overwhelmed with appreciation for all of the blessings in my life. I am eternally grateful for what life has given to me. I am incredibly grateful for everything I have in my life. I am incredibly grateful for all of the beautiful things in my life. I will be eternally grateful for all of the technology that allows me to stay connected, keep in contact with my loved ones. I will be eternally grateful for incredible life energy that flows through my body. I am thankful for all the books that has provided me a insight, wisdom and understanding. I am grateful for all of the professors who have influenced my life. I am grateful for the ability to listen to my gut instincts. Every time I spend in silence, I am grateful. I am grateful for the ability to receive fresh ideas with an open mind. I am grateful for my deep desire to connect with others. I am thankful for my infinite inner resources. I am grateful for the opportunity to reflect and find serenity inside me. I am grateful for the ever expanding adventure that lies ahead for me. I am glad for the affection I am currently receiving. I am thankful for the new money that has entered in my life. I am thankful for the control I have over my destiny. I am grateful for the sound of birds singing in the morning, for whom I am, and I am for the time that I have. I appreciate who I am and what I have. I am grateful to everyone who has assisted me in achieving my goals. I am grateful to everyone who has infused my life with wonderful energy. I am grateful to the universe for assisting me in resolving my issues. I am grateful for everything nice in my life. I am glad for all of those special occasions in my life. I am grateful for everything that has happened in my life. I am extremely grateful to be able to design the life I desire. I am extremely fortunate to be alive now. I am incredibly grateful for the ability to improve my life. I am grateful for all that has happened in my life. I appreciate all of the services that are available for me. I am grateful for every glimmer of inspiration that comes on my way. I am grateful for my friends, love, and support, as well as the opportunity to make a difference in my life today. I am deeply appreciative for the abundance that has recently entered my life. I am truly grateful for the beauty and love that fills my life every day. I am also grateful for the support I get from my family and friends. I am thankful that I have been able to change my life for the better. I value all forms of my life on this planet as well as others' life. I am grateful for each and every blessing that comes on my way on daily basis. I value each and every one of my life experience. I value my life and everyone that is part of it. I value each and every minute of my life. I choose to be grateful for what life has to offer. I end each day with gratitude for the progress I have made, and I pledge to reaching my full potential. In my life, I am grateful. I continually remind myself to appreciate everything that is excellent in my life right now. I am constantly grateful for all the positive things in my life. I count my blessings every day, and I count my numerous blessings every day. All of the people in my life have a special place in my heart. I am grateful and at peace at end of the day. I finished my day with calm meditation and gratitude, and I am grateful for everything. I am grateful for everything I have in my life, and I express my gratitude for the modest steps I have ever taken each day. I convey my thankfulness for my faith. Every day, I exhibit my faith. Every morning, I am grateful for everything I have in my life. I feel the joy and thankfulness that comes with achieving my goal. I practice thankfulness in order to be more receptive to receiving joy in my life. I am grateful for my inner voices, consistent guidance. I am grateful for everything I have. I am grateful for this great day. I am gratefully embrace all the good fortunes that world has bestowed upon me. I accept everything of good that comes into my life gladly. I am grateful for every new day that comes on my way. I have lovely life for which I am always grateful. I have a grateful attitude. I am extremely grateful for the ability to direct my own life. I try to have a grateful mindset. I gratefully pay my expenses. I honor my existence by living each day as powerfully and positively as possible. Every day, I try to cultivate the feeling of appreciation. I am eternally grateful for every good thing that has happened to me. I am quick to express my gratitude to people. Every minute of my existence is source of thankfulness for me. Every day, I remind myself of all of life's benefits. I give thanks for all the good things in my life on regular basis. Throughout the day, I express my gratitude. Every day I express my thanks for the things I have. I value and appreciate the gifts I receive. I am grateful for everything that is excellent in my life. I am grateful for all of the assistance I have received. I am grateful for the help I have received from others. I appreciate the people, places, and events in my life by taking time to appreciate them. I make an effort to appreciate the small pleasures in life. I frequently express my gratitude to others. I welcome and appreciate all the life that has offered to me. And it is my greatest wish to spend each day with unending thankfulness. My thankfulness serves me well in everything I do. My grateful heart attracts more of what I am grateful for on regular basis. I enjoy things in life because my thankfulness is genuine and consistent, and my life is full with grateful appreciation. There are numerous blessings in my life. My mind is constantly occupied with ideas of regardless of a weather, thankfulness. I am grateful for another wonderful day. Gratitude signal to the universe that I am open to receive more in my life. Thank you for everything nice in my life. Gratitude keeps me linked to universal abundance. The more thing I get, the more I have to be grateful for. I have more blessings than I can count in my life. I am now experiencing a life of endless abundance as a result of my continuous expressions of thanks. With every breath I take today, I bless my being with deep gratitude. I am cultivating a greater sense of thankfulness in my life.